Hello everyone, my name is Hao Tong, and I'm a sophomore student in accounting major. So today in my speech, I will talk some term about economy and finance. But please don't get scared away about this word because I will do some explanation. Uh, Imagine 5 years later, you graduate from university, work hard on a day job. On a Friday morning, you receive a direct deposit for your paycheck. After paying the rent, paying the transportation, paying the health insurance, how much money do you left in your pocket? And then, ding dong, you receive a phone call from the U.S. Department of Education Student Loan Service. How much money do you left after paying the loan? And how much can you left for saving, for pleasure? And this is the problem of America. In fact, it's a global pandemic. It's called student loan crisis. Higher education are extremely expensive in United States, and with the increasing amount of the expense on student loan, if you're helping the more benefit for lower income family, they are much more disadvantaged and much likely student of color. Spending on student loan forgiveness program is far more effective way to helping lower income family. We are going to analyze why government should forgive student loan, and we're going to talk about some key facts that around student loan. And then we're going to show something we can do about this. According to May 2024 census data, 53 million Americans have student loan debt. That's about 1/8 American have student loan. Right now, you may be paying a student loan right now for your college, or you may someone affected by it. The Federal Reserve Bank of New York estimates about the average monthly payment of student loan in 2018 is between $200 or $299, almost $300. The actual cash definitely will helping the young college graduate finance. And in the end, this money will contribute to their household disposable personal income. It's called saving after the income tax deducted. And they are most likely to enjoy using this money to purchase the necessary good they will need, whether from pleasure themselves or it can have a blasting impact on economy at very large scales. And after we review the problem, let's go on to see some solution we can do to helping this crisis. The reason we are doing the forgiving student loan program because there are growing demand in higher education, lower state funding, and then the more expanding cost of the administrators, like the money we pay professor, paying the university staff. Forgiving student loan while also providing immediate financial relief for lower income family. So lower income family can eventually save up more money, and those saving money they can use for investment, and investment can increase our GDP, and that will be a booster for our economy. The reduce of student loan debt could also prove the formation of small business and house ownership. According to the Fortune magazine author Richard Christ, therefore, forgiving student loan will be stimulate the economic growth at long term. Many borrowers holding both federal and reserve and private student loan. Only the federal government have the right to cancel the student loan, and the only person can push this policy is the head of government, the U.S. State President Joe Biden. According to CNBC, since Joe Biden President Joe Biden had been in the office in the U.S. Department of Education had canceled about 2 billion student loan. There are roughly about 100,000 students who file borrower defense of repayment application. So there definitely the president have progress on that, but we need to further improve on this policy. Make sure we can more people can have economic benefit from the forgiving student loan. Some people believe business should be able to decide themselves how they spend their profit, and definitely believe the freedom of choice is absolutely right. But the government should also encourage private business donate a certain amount of their profit into social program like forgiving student loan that benefit the public and the community there where they operate. According to Arizona tax, a family donation in education can use up to can use as a credit against their tax liability. That allow taxpayer paying up to $200 if you are single or $400 if you are a couple. For example, if you donate $200 in your university or local high school, you can save up to $200. However, we didn't have similar policy in federal level that encourage householder and private business donate money in education in federal law. So encouraging everyone to become well informative with multiple perspective and consumer information from one media is maybe biased, but review different perspective and watching politician debate is critical for everyone to be educated about this information. Definitely, I respect different person have different political perspective. Some people prefer government should spending less money, and some people prefer like government should help out the people that in problem right now. Whether what you believe, the forgiving student loan debit will be definitely helping the economic growth in America in very long term. According to William Forst, the vice president of Moody, which just did a report on forgiving student loan, they've estimated about the U.S. real GDP could boost in average 86 billion to 108 billion every year if we forget total student loan we have. In the past few minutes, I have analyzed the government should forgive student loan debt, and the education is not only equip us with skills that become a talent in future workforce, but also access to education should be a pathway to success without these personal barriers. Thank you for listening, and